Craving a refreshing and indulgent dessert? Look no further than this creamy lemon mousse. It's light, tangy, and perfect for any occasion. Let's dive in. In a saucepan, combine lemon juice, 2/3 cup of sugar, water, and cornstarch. Whisk until smooth. Add a pinch of turmeric for a subtle golden hue. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until thickened. Cover the curd and chill. In a separate bowl, whip the whipping cream. Add the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar until stiff peaks form. Mix the cooled lemon curd to make it smooth again. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cooled lemon curd. Pour the mixture into serving glasses and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Garnish with fresh lemon zest or berries. Serve chilled and enjoy.